Why is factor meals so expensive? First, you're not just paying for food, you're paying for quality. Factor meals uses fresh, never frozen, chef-crafted meals made with grass-fed meats, organic veggies, and no GMOs or preservatives. That cost more than bulk processed alternatives. Each meal is also designed by a registered dietitian, whether you're on keto, low carb, high protein, or calorie smart. Factor tailors every recipe to your goals, which adds to the cost because it's not just meal delivery, it's personalized nutrients. You're also paying for time, no shopping, no preparing, no cooking. Just hit and eat in 2 minutes. That kind of convenience is premium, especially for busy professionals or fitness focused individuals. Behind the scene, there's a cost for cold chain shipping, eco friendly packaging, and nationwide distribution, plus, meals are cooked fresh weekly, unlike other services that fresh bulk batches. If you value quality, convenience, and nutrition, it might be. But if budget is tight or just you love cooking from scratch, factor might feel pricey. Think of it like a personal chef and dietitian in one. So, yes, factor meals are expensive, but it's not random. It's a combination of premium ingredients, expert design, and serious convenience. So that's it.